project on my neighborhood. This is my society. I live here, and the people who live near me, they are my neighbors. And do you know what is neighborhood? Neighborhood is the place where people and families live and interact with each other. And now I will tell you about neighborhood services. School. School is the most important place to us. From there we can learn how to read, write and play. And in school, teachers teach us good habits and good manners. Now we'll talk about hospital. Hospital. Sick and injured people go to the hospital, and then in the hospital, doctors and nurses help them get better. And now we'll talk about fire station. Fire station. If there is a fire or any other accident, we should call the firefighters from the fire station. The firefighters come in a fire truck. In the fire trucks, there are various items which they use to save the people, like ladders, hose, and many others. And if there is any destruction or anything, then we should call the firefighters. They will help the people who are in danger. And now we will talk about park. Park is the place where children, adults and small children also come to play. Like the adults come and jog, run and do exercise. And then the children play on the swings, slides and many other things in the park. I will give you some tips to be a good neighbor. We should keep our surroundings clean and we should help each other. And now bye. If you like this video, then like.